got a Coyote in it.
This car belonged to my dad in 1957.
Oh,
He
sweet.
sold it to somebody, and then about 15 years ago, somebody gave it back to him. in
No
pieces.
kidding. Oh, really?
The hood had been used for a sled, and lots of parts missing, and a chrome piece on the other side took 11 years to find.
Wow. And what year is it?
It's a 47 Mercury.
47 Merc.
We finished this car when I bought the Falcon from him.
No kidding. Did you do the engine swap?
He did.
Yeah.
Built the car around it.
Oh, really? Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah.
She's crammed in there. I like it. That's cool, man.
So we're gonna do a complete repaint on this car. Same color, same everything. The paint job on it's getting kind of old. It's got some cracks and stuff in it. And basically what we're doing is we're just going completely through it, starting over. So you can see it's got stuff like this, kind of all through it, just here and there, everywhere where you see a little yellow deal, my yellow tape here. That's where you see it inside the hinges and stuff. We're gonna go ahead and re-jam this car, repaint it there. Anywhere where there's like damage, paint's coming off, flaking. The front balance of the car was really bad that we noticed right here. You can see all the bodywork, body filler and stuff that wasn't finished off in there. We're gonna chip some of that away, maybe probably just redo it all. Make sure it's good, solid, and strong so it doesn't crack again. Because on each side, we got some bondo cracking here and on this side as well. Right there and right there. So we're gonna go back through the car and make sure it's 100%. It's got some seam sealer that came apart right here. Right there, as you can see. And it's just kind of everywhere. And then we're gonna take the hood off, flip it over, because it's starting to rust underneath. And I don't like that at all. That's big problems down the line. So, you know, it might not rust now or in a couple years, but it will rust. And when it does, it's not gonna be good. It's gonna come through. So we're gonna flip it over, get it ground down, get it sealed, get it painted, then we'll paint the rest of the car. He was at the Weekend Warrior street car race with this car. It's got a good running little Coyote swap in it. We'll show it to you pretty soon. More on that later. So we're focusing on this line right here. And there's a dip in this fender. See how it gets real thick right here? Yeah. Trying to get that out right now. Which we thought that side was gonna be the hard side. This side's actually ending up being the harder side to align. Everything, I don't know if they bodyworked it where it was. It had to have been, huh? Yeah. They had to have bodyworked it originally with that in it and never got rid of that. So now we're trying to get rid of that so both sides are symmetrical. Trunk was a lot higher on that side and had a shim. So we took the shim out, brought it down, and got this side really good. And this was the bad side, of course, right here. But we got that like almost perfect. And that's by itself, there's nothing holding it. So that's how it's gonna be. Now we're working on this side, pushing this up and out. But it's really close now. Lightly pushing that. So we're just really lightly putting the quarter power in there.
That did quite a bit.
Yeah.
We got it braced so it's not gonna hurt the floor or anything. Very lightly, so he gave it like a half a pump right there. And we gotta go past a little bit to make everything lined up.
Oh, close, it's nice.
Is that better?
Yeah, just stepping in a few places.
We gotta go past it just a little bit so it stays.
Yeah, the rubber's just
Yeah, we need to bend
something
that.
that's supposed to.
He's right though, that whole lip up here kind of is like bent in.
It is something
Yeah.
right here is what I'm saying.
So I think we can massage it out just a little bit.
Then we'll start body working from
We
there.
can work it out a little more, but it's actually, let me see.
It looks uniform now though, because there used to be a big gap right here.
Yeah, it was way bigger than what it is now.
Way better. Man, if we get that bottom lip in,
Yeah.
that looks so much better here.
Yeah, he's standing way back here looking at it. That looks so much better.
Look at that.
Yeah, it was weird. This fender here was actually curled in a little bit and then it was down compared to this. So I think we got to go just a little further so it'll stay
Just a
there.
little bit higher.
Yeah, and then we
Because
should be
this
in good
one's
shape.
still-
Then we can start body working.
Yeah.
We haven't done any body work yet. We're just trying to,
Cleaning all this
this has
up.
been a whole day of just getting that side where it needed to be and welded, and this side now. We're just taking our time, being really gentle. We're making sure the floor is taken care of and not getting bent or anything.
Trying to make it right,
Yeah, trying to make it right.
where it was so messed up.
So, we need to hit a few spots anyway.
Yeah, this is a very delicate process. We need like that drama music in the background, like dun 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 dun.
Yeah.
And then the narrator, can these guys get it figured out?
Do the shark thing.
Yeah.
With Joss.
Yeah, see, we're not even distorting it. We're just pushing it out just a little bit. It needed, there's a dip, right? Literally right here, right there was low. So where we
This-
have
yeah,
this,
this
yeah,
is
this,
worse.
We need
and it
to
was curled,
readjust it,
it's curled in, so we need to curl it out.
It's all the way up top even though.
Yeah.
But it
Yes,
just
the whole
worse,
section.
worse right
But
here.
the worst part was right there. This side's looking great now. We worked on this one all day yesterday. So look at this radius, nice and pretty. Now that one looks nice and pretty too.
Just need to adjust it down here a little bit lower
Yep,
to bring this, the rest
just
of it
that
out.
last piece
Yeah, the
out.
last piece.
And then we can massage that lip.
We actually need to start banging on the inside of it to,
Yeah.
to bring it back to where it
Tap it
belongs,
up.
but not really hard.
Yeah, very like real light taps. Real critical right now. So, like I said, we need that drama music in the background. Like, oh man, nothing bad would ever happen, but you know, we're just trying to get it just perfect as we can. And then poor Thumper over here has got the real job. Look at this. Look at what Thumper's got. What's all this, Thump?
That is every nut, bolt, screw that is on this car that I've been taking off.
Do you think this car has a lot of chrome on it?
No.
No, not at all. And then
has
what do you got
zero.
going on here? Look at this
Just
list.
25 things I've taken off, and I'm not even a halfway done.
He's at 25 things he's taken off, and the car's still got chrome.
I guarantee you this is gonna take, I bet you noon tomorrow. I might be halfway. Just have to be on top of the door for a sec.
Everybody's working, everybody's got their job, and things are moving along.
No,
Couldn't be happier, but
just steal that platform.
it's a tough job. This is a tough one.
I'm just doing up the bags right now.
Can you get with those?
So this has got bent right here from when the fender got hit. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig all this out, see what's under there, pound it back straight, and then I'm gonna probably re-weld this seam, and it should be better than new. All right, so we're digging this out. There's a dent here that was filled with bondo pretty good. Not terrible, a little more than I'd like to see. Then we came over here and noticed we had some more there. And you can see this lip, he had it flat, and then where it's curled. So now I think we're just gonna dig this whole bottom section out, because I think it's good here. We're gonna dig the whole bottom section out, and then,
And straighten this
yeah,
out.
George is gonna hammer and dolly it straight and smooth.
I'm only doing it because he's playing Gunsmoke.
Oh yeah, I'm playing Gunsmoke for George so he can concentrate and hang out.
See, it's already taking shape.
Yep.
Pulling the dent out.
Yep.
There it goes.
There it goes.
And I'm just
So
supporting the edge.
you're holding it here, yeah.
Yeah, I'm supporting the edge and hitting behind it. So this holds it in place and you're just popping the dent out.
Sweet.
Put it up there.
So they ended up having to take the fender off. This is why, George? It was bent right here?
Yeah,
While it was in there bolted up, this was like, so if it's flat here, it was like this.
Yeah, it was angled at it. So now it's
And you couldn't really see it because there's a little chrome piece, this little chrome piece right here. That was kind of hiding that, but it wasn't right. So in order to get this bent out, like we said, it showed this more. What are we doing in there?
broke a bolt.
Oh, he broke a bolt. Tell him. You fit in there nicely.
Oh, no,
Let me try to get in there.
Yeah, let me get it.
Let me get in there.
I'm getting in on this side.
When you get up in your work, you get up in it.
I'm dedicated.
You're dedicated. I appreciate it. So George is over here working.
No, I
George, earlier George was trying to take credit for Mikey's work, but we found some more cracked bondo down here underneath the fender of the back. That'd have been this side, yeah. So
and we ground a bunch of bondo off.
yeah, we ground a bunch of bondo off of this one. So we're just gonna try to eliminate all that stuff anywhere where it's cracked. I haven't seen anything that's too crazy, but it's not super good either.
Straighten all the edges.
But yeah, all these edges, this was flat. Now we're starting to put that curve in it. George is starting to hammer and dolly that out.
He's definitely
It was bent right here, clear up in here where everything got pushed. So got it back out. Damn, George, that feels good. It's the first time I felt it. First time I'm feeling it, so that feels pretty good, George. Got all this back together, welded this. This was all broken and cracked right here, so we welded that all back together. Looks good.
Thank you.
A lot of the little things right now. Pretty soon we'll start looking like we're actually doing stuff instead of just taking it apart. All right, real quick. See the roll pan and see the tank? The tank is flat and even with the frame, but the roll pan is diving down really hard right here. So that's another thing we're noticing, and trying to get everything on this side to go up like we were this morning with the quarter power up there, but we need the bottom to go up also. So we got the upper fender pretty much where it needs to be. Now we got to get the rest of this lined up straight. You know what you're doing there, young fella? You know what you're doing? Look at that. First coat of bonder on the car right there. Body filler. George is gonna start working his magic, his body working magic. Looks pretty good. We've had a rough go of it right here. We're fitting everything back together, fitting everything back up. Everything's kind of where it's supposed to be. Got a trim in here, just in a few spots to eliminate this. See if we bring this in right here. That'll get rid of this gap here. And then I have it marked here. We're looking way, way better. The fender actually comes out over the tire now. Before it was under the tire, or you could see the tire from the back. Now you can't. This is just sitting in there right now, kind of loose. So it might not be perfect, but once we get it bolted up, tightened up, it should be. So yeah, right here's where it took all of the hit right here, all down in here, and the bumper too. We don't have the bumper. He's taking it to a chromer somewhere, so we're just gonna finish this and finish this. These guys have a mess going on over here because there was just a lot of covered up body filler that didn't need to be in any of these pieces. George is smacking them out, getting them straight. Mikey's working on this one, getting it straight. There was a big dent right here. And like an inch of body filler on there, I'm not even kidding.
right there.
Yeah, so, yeah, I gotta go back through and
I think
weld
there
that
was
back
more
together.
than an inch.
More than an inch? Might have been more than an inch. It was pretty bad. It was really thick with body filler, but they're making sure the chrome and everything's gonna fit back in there.
Been pumping working over here, got the fenders back on it. Just lining everything back up after the body worked it. Everything is nice and good. So,
Feels good.
feels good.
Feels good after 3 days of taking trim off to not have to take any more.
It does. It does. It feels good. So
Yeah.
we're doing good. All right. There it goes. Oh, I hate that smell. Good thing there's not smell-o-vision.
Ooh, that smell.
Can you smell that smell?
That's when I need to let one go.
No, don't do it.
Don't try that's that smell.
I'd still rather smell this. Finally, Jesus. Okay.
Got her?
Thank you.
I
You
think
got her?
I think so. No, right there.
Oh, I see.
Hold on. Too far away, I think. There. Look, I guess I could put this on for once.
Safety third.
Oh, look,
Third.
I put it on.
See? Safety third.
It's on.
Documented.
I can't see with that thing on.
Have you cleaned it since you bought it?
I have not cleaned it, sir. I ain't put batteries in it, nothing.
Have you seen him clean his paint guns?
Whoa!
Calling him out.
I put stuff in there and I shake it up. Clean.
Yeah.
Exactly. Clean. Clean enough.
George.
Mikey. Calling him out like that.